Ooh, man, this is just cool stuff. Sit down, relax, watch. This is beautiful. So first off, these are all from Sally LaPointe. Sally LaPointe, as you know, very high-end, very expensive. And these are just some beautiful things. We're focusing on a yellow and a chartreuse. Chartreuse is the color for 2023 vintage color. So this is cotton poly. It has stretch in both directions. It's like a second skin. It's absolutely beautiful. It's not a second skin because that's a brand name, but it's like it. And this is really lovely. If you want to add a color in, this light yellow is just beautiful. It's really pretty. Then we go into the chartreuse. And we first start off with a linen, 100% linen. I don't know what to say other than it's just stunning. I wish you all could feel it and hold it and touch it. It's beautiful. It is a woven. Yeah, it's lovely. And it just blends absolutely perfectly with this cotton poly. This is like not stiff, but it's definitely doesn't have drape to it. So you want to do a pattern that will give it direction. So the best thing I could say would be awesome, like a little jean jacket. 921 would be great. Any of those, Lafayette, my brain is blank for a minute. 920, if you look up 920 and see what that is. If you did a trench coat, any of those would be amazing. And then if you see how this linen blends with it, it's great for now. You know, you could use it for now. It's just a perfect match because they're designer fabrics made up. Or you could go, this is cotton poly, it's a woven. You could take it into this right here. This is a black, and it's a silk. It's a silk twill. And this is a pant weight, or jacket weight. It's beautiful, but you can see what the black does to it. And so the colors are just beautiful together. So this is a silk twill, absolutely stunning to the touch, to everything. It's just gorgeous. Then we have a little deeper color chartreuse, and you can see that blends also as well. They all go together, so you could really pair them well. They blend really beautifully. This is 100% viscose. It's great drape. It's got stretch in both directions, slight stretch, not a lot of stretch, but again, a beautiful piece of fabric. And then we have this 100% cotton that is our little shamrocks, and it just has a really beautiful blend together. Little blouse, pair of pants, tank, jacket, all kinds of options there for you. So color of the year 2023 for fall. Let's make it happen. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.